Hello everyone, welcome back. I missed you. Today we're taking another look at my 2023 Honda Rebel 500. We're going to do a quick install of a luggage rack and a quick first impression. That's the luggage rack sitting right there. Let's see here, the name brand on it is supposed to be Junju Moto. I got it off of Amazon. There'll be a link down in the description. And I'm just going to get right into the installation. Alright everyone, it's a lovely, slightly humid, rainy, cool morning here in Arizona. Let's get right into this installation. Now this is pretty much a no-name luggage rack, but it seems pretty solid. The welds look okay, so I think it'll do all right. What we want to do is we want to loosen these two bolts. Now I had to put my Allen wrench on there, and then I had to use a wrench to extend it, and when I finally got them off of there, they popped like they were torqued on super hard. So all we have to do now, at least, take these off. Oh wow, they are in there, that's for sure. A little bit of chipped paint underneath these. I think the person that installed them just tightened them down way too tight. Yep, a bunch of chip paint under that one too. So the kit that I purchased came with two rubber washers that I'm going to put right above there. It also came with 0 instructions, and I'm just installing this based off of the pictures that they had and also how other luggage racks get installed. So the little arrow side goes forward. And of course, after we get everything lined up, yep, there we go. We're going to use our friend blue Loctite. Little dab will do ya. Get that in there and tighten it. Get it started. Oh wow, barely any threads bit on that at all. And then this one's going to get the same treatment. A little bit of blue Loctite. And tighten her down. A little bit of torque extender on this one. It's a little bit difficult to get down in there with the short end. Now, I don't intend on putting a rear seat on here, and I think that once this is down on there, it's going to be just fine. So I'm going to torque these down pretty hard. Okay, that's the back one, onto the front. All right, that is on there. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Yep, I'm confident that's not going anywhere. That's not bad. And there it is. Well, that's it. That was quick and easy. I think that it matches the aesthetic of the bike pretty well. It gives me something secure to lock all of my gear down to whenever I stop somewhere. And it was really inexpensive. Not bad. Alright, if you like this video, please give me a like. I'd appreciate it if you'd leave me a comment. Tell me what you liked, what you didn't, how you think I can improve. And if you like this kind of content, subscribe, because there's definitely more to come. You can join the discussion on my Discord, links down in the description. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.